Hey creators, ever downloaded a video or used a free trial tool only to find an ugly watermark slapped right onto it? It's frustrating, right? Watermarks can make your content look unprofessional. Today we're focusing on removing them from your own content or free use videos where you've lost the original file. First, head to quso.ai and log into your account. Click Create New Project and upload the video with the watermark. I'm using a clip I created last year that has a static watermark. You can also paste a YouTube link if your video is online. quso.ai supports multiple formats, so no worries there. Once your video is uploaded, click Edit, and you can use quso.ai's overlay or masking tools as a backup. Head to Elements and choose a logo, sticker, or custom graphic to cover the watermark. Position and resize the overlay to blend naturally with your video. Before exporting, preview your video to ensure the watermark is gone or well hidden. If needed, tweak the overlay. Make sure the fix doesn't disrupt key visuals or motion in your video. Another way to remove the static watermark is to resize the video on the canvas and adjust it to fit your desired frame, whether it's landscape, square, or vertical. Once you're happy with the result, click Export. Choose your resolution. I recommend 1080p for most platforms and hit Download. And there you have it. Removing watermarks from videos is no longer a headache thanks to quso.ai. Watch this comparison and there you have it. Removing watermarks from videos is no longer a headache. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. Let me know in the comments if you've got other video editing challenges you want solved. Start your free trial with quso.ai using the link below in the description. See you in the next one.